Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make milk kefir from dehydrated grains. First, gather your supplies. 1 tablespoon of dehydrated milk kefir grains, 1 cup of whole milk, and a clean glass jar with a lid. Ensure your jar is thoroughly clean to prevent unwanted bacteria. This simple method will guide you through reactivating your grains and enjoying fresh, homemade kefir in no time. Let's get started. To begin, place your 1 tablespoon of dehydrated kefir grains into a clean glass jar. Pour in about 1 cup of whole milk, ensuring the grains are fully submerged. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a coffee filter secured with a rubber band. Let this mixture sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 24 hours. The grains will slowly rehydrate and become active. After the initial 24-hour rehydration period, it's time to separate the grains. Gently strain the milk through a non-metal sieve, catching the grains. The first batch of milk might have an off flavor, so it's best to discard it. Now, place your rehydrated grains into a new jar with fresh whole milk, using about 1 cup of milk for every tablespoon of grains. Cover loosely and let it ferment for another 24 hours. Once your kefir has fermented for 18 to 24 hours, it's ready to harvest. Strain the thick, tangy kefir into a clean bottle, separating it from the grains. You can now enjoy your homemade milk kefir or store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Place the grains into fresh milk to start a new batch. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Happy fermenting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.